Hi guys, in this video I will show you where to withdraw PayPal money. First of all, you need to launch your web browser in your PC or in your mobile device, and in the search bar you simply need to type paypal.com. After that you need to provide your email address and your password, and you simply need to log in into your account. Now once you've successfully logged in, the first thing that you need to do is to simply click on this payment methods tab, and once you do this you will be redirected on this page where you are going to see your bank accounts and your credit cards that you have linked with your PayPal account. Now in order to withdraw your money from PayPal account, you should have linked your bank. Now if it is not linked, then what you can do is you can simply click on the option of link a bank account. After that, you need to provide your bank details such as its NEFT, IFSC code, and the account number, and then you will have to click on link your bank account. After that, you just have to follow further on-screen instructions on the next page in order to link it with your PayPal account. Now, once it is linked successfully and once you have any balance in your PayPal account, you will be able to see this type of transfer money tab just underneath the balance of your PayPal. Now over here you will have to click on the option of transfer money, and then you will be redirected on the next page where you will have to select your bank account in which you are going to transfer your money. After selecting your bank account, you will have to press next, and then you will be given two withdrawal options, whether you want to withdraw it instantly or you can wait for 3 to 5 days for free transfers. So you just have to select any of the options as per your convenience, and you just have to click on the transfer button in order to conclude your payment. After that, if you have selected the option of 3 to 5 business days, then you will have to wait for this time frame and your money will be withdrawn from PayPal to your bank account. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.